Hi, today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds w and hu. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the w sound in the word which, which, which. Now the hu sound in the word which, which, which. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Just which woman is a witch? Just which woman is a witch? Just which woman is a witch? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!